Alright guys, we're about to head out to Rock Falls. This is GNS Designs and more custom wraps. We're gonna go do a semi, take out the old labels, their own customers, old, I guess you could say, their old trucking company, and we'll put the guys' new stuff on it called Cold as Ice. Stay tuned. Alright guys, made it to Rock Falls. We're here on the semi, so here's what it looks like. I'm about to change it, so here we go. We're gonna change this, put his logo on it, get rid of this stuff right here. We got this here too on both sides, so. Alright guys, so there you have it. Here's what it looks like. Obviously you can see what I've been doing right here. So 3 layers, obviously, as you can tell, 6x9. You got orange, black, and blue. Then you got back here, I almost fall down here. Same thing, 3 layers on the top. Orange, black, and blue, Cold as Ice, trucking, Rock Falls, Illinois. So I'm here with Bob and Daryl from Details, Just the Details. I always mess it up on him because he can never get his own name right. All right, anyway, so Bob's got some possibility of me possibly wrapping this ZL1 Camaro. It's pretty badass. 10 seconds. We're gonna go from red to black, gloss black at that. So door jambs, door handles, take the fenders off, everything. So, all right, see you guys in the next video.